Hi, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to discuss about coming 12 months or for the Pisces moon sign and the ascendant, what you can expect during this time and what all remedies you should do to overcome the challenges. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So for the Pisces Lagna, it is actually a golden period for you as per me, because right now Saturn is sitting in your Lagna, in your ascendant. When Saturn sits in the Lagna, it gives you a lot of pressure. That's true. It will give you a lot of pressure to make a lot of changes in your life, overall changes in your life, your thinking pattern, your thought processing, your attitude towards a life. The right way of living this life. A lot of pressure will be for sure in your life, but right now you need to understand two important planets are sitting in your Kendra, that is a Saturn and the Jupiter planet, which gives you lot of stability also in the life. So coming 12 months is actually a golden period for you if you want to do something big in your career, if you want to become much more emotionally stronger person. As Pisces people, they are very bad in saying no to people, but this is a time that Saturn and Jupiter both together sitting in the Kendra, which is a foundation of the birth chart, which is a foundation of your life. It is going to pressurize you in such a way that during this 12 months of time, you are going to come up as a very new person. This is a time where you started focusing on your own self, where you started focusing on your career, and you started adding on some new knowledge and wisdom too. You will be started noticing that in this 12 months of time, this knowledge and wisdom will started paying off, and you are going to see that more stability in your life. The best part of this 12 months for you is that time to take more big decisions. This is a time to take a lot of bold decision, and this is a time where you are going to get a lot of growth opportunities also. So especially when it comes to the career, this is a golden period for you. Try to add on some skills and knowledge. Come out of your comfort zone. This is a time, if you are going to miss this 12 months of time, then you are going to miss a very big opportunity, because a lot of hidden opportunity you are going to get during this time. When it comes to career, you are going to start something new in your career. Sudden unexpected positive things happen in your career. If your dasha and the pratanta dasha antardasha will be in your favor, then there is a very high possibility you are going to get lot of new business opportunity. You may start a new business during this time, you may change a job during this time, and this particular change will be positive for you. So very few times this type of yoga come where such a big planets are sitting in your Kendra, giving the foundation. Anyways, it is giving you pressure. Mentally, it's not a good combination. But when it comes to career growth, when it comes to success of your career, this is actually a very good combination, which right now is for you for the Pisces moon sign and the ascendant. So don't miss this opportunity. Try to focus on your career, try to focus on your business, try to focus on your job. There is a very high possibility during this time you are going to see a lot of growth. It has also been noticed that you are going to focus more on your career, more on your business during this time, due to which you may neglect your personal life. Like you may neglect your family, you may neglect your friend, you may become more isolated. But again, I take this positively when it comes to the isolation, because when you are isolated, this is only the time when you will get to know why you are on this earth, what is the purpose of you coming on this earth, and how to fulfill that purpose. These are answers you are going to get during this time. And this is a time where you may get away from the social networking, more isolated, away from your family, and your total focus will be on your career. There is a very high possibility there. When it comes to relationship, there may be a high possibility of breakups in the relationship. Relationship wise, this time doesn't seem good, but when such a transformation time comes in life, so people who are actually not so good for you, or they maybe in front of you, they show you that they care a lot about you or they love you, but of course the back end story that the universe knows. So this is a time where lot of people are going to go away from you. The reason is that as per the universe, that people are not good for your life. That's the reason they will go away from you. Breakup will happen in the relationship. Maybe a relationship with your friends will be impacted. Maybe the relationship in your love relationship will be impacted, or the relationship with your colleagues or any of your relatives may also get impacted. You may feel sad, you may feel hurted about this, that why this is happening with me. But again, this is a transformation time. Whenever this type of phase come in our life, so a lot of transformation come. So now Saturn for you sitting in the first house. So this is Saturn is completed as one. Saturn has completed its 30 years of cycle, and now Saturn is going to teach you what is the right way of living this life. So far, you are the person who are always, you can't say no to people, and a lot of time you must have noticed a lot of people have used you also. But this is a time where you will be more conscious. You will not allow people to use you, due to which there will be the ego clashes, or due to which there may be the clashes or the fights in the relationship. So relationship wise, this time doesn't seems like so great. Even your focus will totally into your career, and you will also try to ignore your relationship with your friends, family, as well as the loved one. Financial growth and property wise, this is a good time. There is a very high possibility you will purchase a new property during this time, or you may sell out some ancestor property during this time, and out of that money you can purchase a new property, or a construction. There's a possibility of a construction in the house also during this time. If you're looking for a job change, especially away from your birthplace in the foreign country, then there's a very high possibility you will be able to get job change, and that is there in the foreign country. There is a very high possibility your earnings is going to start from the foreign country, away from your birthplace. You will be started earning. So it seems like, for the money points of view, from the finances point of view, from the wealth point of view, this is a golden time for you. This is a time where you can earn more money. Of course, the balance will be missing in the life. You are going to focus more on your career. Even it has been noticed that during this time you are going to give more time to your career, more time to your work, rather than in your personal life. You will not able to earn, you will not able to enjoy your hard earned money during this time. But this is a time where you can make some good amount of money and wealth. This is a good time for the spiritual growth and travel. There is a very high possibility during this 12 months of time you are going to visit to a multiple religious places, and your interest in the spirituality and even in the occult science is going to increase. Lot of Pisces moon sign and the Lagna people may started learning occult science too. They may started learning Vastu Shastra, astrology, or anything connected to the Shastra during this time, and it is good for you. If you have interest in this particular subject, if you have a good planets aligned in your birth chart to learn astrology, during this time the interest of yours will be going to increase in the occult science. And if you are going to earn, and if you are going to add on this skill in your life, you will notice that afterwards you may start earning from this, and you can do something big in your life during this time. It seems like that this is a great time to get income away from your birthplace. This is a great time. You are going to get multiple chances or multiple opportunities to settle down in the foreign country also, and settling down in the foreign country will be beneficial for you, will be positive for you. So whatever opportunity, whatever the money opportunity or the business opportunity you are getting during this time, try to grab that opportunity, start taking the actions, start working towards it. Don't delay it, because very few time such a golden period come in our life, and this is for you right now. So try not to miss this opportunity. Internally, lot of emotional wise, lot of changes are going to happen. Otherwise, Pisces people, you are very emotional. You don't have a tendency of saying no to people. Being Saturn is going to sit in your first house and the Jupiter is sitting in your fourth house, it is going to make you more emotionally strong. You will started saying no to people where it has been required, and you are going to focus more on your career during this time. You are not going to take your career for granted. Your whole focus will be on the career. Maybe there may be the higher possibility that you may ignore your friends, relative during this time. That may create a problem, but my advice to you is that at least keep few friends and few relatives. Try to talk to them. 100% isolation is also not good for your health. So this is a time frame for 12 months time. You will become a very different person altogether. Emotionally, you are going to become much more stronger, which is actually required as a Pisces. You are going to accept your past mistakes, and you are going to move on in your life. But this is not so great time when it comes to your surrounding. It has been noticed that this is a time where a lot of your friends, relatives, or any of your colleagues will be jealousy from you, and you may have an evil eye. You need to take care of your health a lot. Because of the over stress or overwork, your health will be hampered. So try to take care of your health. Make sure that daily for at least 10 minutes you are walking barefoot on the grass. It is going to help you to heal. If possible, try to spend more time with the animals. This also help you to heal. Try to meditate, because this time doesn't seem so great when it comes to your mental health, when it comes to overall your health wise things doesn't seem so great. And it has been noticed that you may take all your focus on your career, due to which you may spend more time in your career, like for 12 hours, for 13 hours you will be focused on your career, due to which also you may face health related problems. So don't take your health for granted. Try to focus on your health and do the mindfulness exercises. Try to do meditation. Try to write down all your negative thoughts and burn the same in the candle. And if possible, then try to walk barefoot on the grass. This is a time where you need to be very much conscious with a challenge. Also problems you can face during this time, relationship wise, relationship with your friends, relative, even the loved ones, you may face a problem. Lot of challenges and the obstacles, especially the delays, are going to come in your daily life problem. So your daily life problem is going to increase because of the obstacles and the challenges and delays in your life. Health wise is not so great time. Health wise you need to be a little bit conscious, and seems like lot of your electronic items, lot of your expensive will be on the electronic items. Lot of your electronics item will stop working during this time, due to which there will be more expenses and the losses. You need to keep an eye on your expenses also. This is a time where you should take all your focus on your own self, heal yourself, focus on your career. Things will be started improving, but slightly there will be the delay. That should not make you frustrated. Patiently try to wait for it and try to focus on the solution rather than the problems of your life. To overcome the challenges, make sure that you are applying Kesar Chandan perfume daily. Start wearing the 3-mukhi and the 5-mukhi Rudraksha. It is going to help you out to enhance your luck. And wear the citrine in the 5 dhatu. It is also going to help you a lot. Along with this, if possible, try to light up a lamp near the tulsi plant, and sitting near it only, you have to listen to Vishnu Sahasranam. If you don't have a tulsi plant, then otherwise also in your home temple, or otherwise also while walking also, you can listen to Vishnu Sahasranam, or you can read Vishnu Sahasranam. It is going to help you a lot to enhance your luck. Again, I am repeating, this is a golden period for you. Take this period positively. Don't waste your time. Just take all your focus on your career. You are going to do something big in your life, but take care of your health. Share this video with your loved one, and share your moon sign and the ascendant in the comments. Thank you. Have a great day.